formats. Now we will get into the targeting. So there are two types of targeting that we mostly use in Amazon, and the both of them are, the first one is auto campaign and the second one is manual campaign. Now what both of these campaign means, or what are actually what they actually are. So like, what is the automatic campaign? So, what is it? Amazon will decide which keyword and products to target based on your product listing. Here, Amazon only will decide which targets or which keywords to keep in to target for our listing based on our product listing. So, we don't have to choose any product or any keyword manually. Amazon will only decide. Now, how it works? Like, Amazon will scan your title, bullet points, description, and backend keywords, and will automatically shows your ads to the relevant shoppers. So it is very important that our title, bullet points, and description, and also the backend keywords must have the proper data and the correct data. So because Amazon only will scan those things from our listing and will show our product to the same, the shoppers that will be looking for that. So it is great for beginners and for finding new converting keywords, and it also saves our time since Amazon does the targeting for you. So if we are starting any new campaign or testing any new product, so we can use the auto campaign or auto targeting there. Now what the manual targeting is? So here you will choose the exact keywords or product that you want to target, or you want to add to target. It gives you full control over bidding and strategies. Now there are two types of manual targeting. In detail, I will be telling you in detail in a little while, but just in brief, there are two types of manual targeting: the keyword targeting as well as the product targeting. So in keyword targeting, we target specific words or phrases that the shoppers may use for our product. So the match type here will be like there are three types of match types: the broad, phrase, and exact. So this was about keyword targeting. And the second type of manual targeting is the product targeting. In the product targeting, we target specific products or categories like competitor products and as well as different categories.